Alright, in this video, I'm going to just share with you a little bit about how to set up a trellis. And I'll be using this tomato plant, this trellis which I made for my tomato. Well, I'm supposed to shoot the part 2 video to show about the fruits. But, well, while waiting for the fruits to bear or for the pollination and fertilization to occur, let's just spend some time to look into the trellis, which is the support for the tomato plant. So as we can see, the tomato plant, once again, that it has a weak stem. It is not a creeper, okay. However, it has a weak stem, okay, which means that the higher it grows, it will not be able to support itself. It will need something to support it. Well, the fact that, and once again, it is not a creeper, so it doesn't have fillers or hangers to creep and coil around other objects. So it will rely on other things to support itself. So in this case, as you can see in this sample tomato which I'm showing now, I've actually tied some knots along other structures just to support the plant. So however, as the plant grow higher, there's so much existing support which I have, so I have to create a simple trellis. So in this case, as you can see, I use one bamboo pole right here and another one over there. So I just run some lines across. So how exactly does the trellis support the tomato? Well, number one, if we look closer to the stem of the tomato, I'm going to just focus it for you. You can see tiny hairs. Let's just take a zoom again, a focus on the stem. It's just not. Alright, so you can see those white things on the hair on the stem. There we go, we have it there. Alright, those hair provide extra friction to the things that it comes into contact. Okay, so as the tomato grows up, and as the tomato comes to contact with other things, for example, like this string here, okay, it has extra friction to support itself. Well, you probably can guess that it may not be enough. So you, at some point of time, that I will probably need to add on some strings just to secure the plant to the structure. So we have an example here. So although I have the trellis, I still tie a simple knot, okay, to the trellis itself, just to provide extra support for the plant. Okay, and if you study closely, you got this stem up, going up, and the branches start to, grow through this trellis, and that by itself would naturally provide extra support for the tomato plant. Okay, yeah. So this one way which you can, construct a trellis for the tomato, or perhaps any other similar plants that you may want to grow. All right, so have fun in gardening. There are so much things that you can do, which is not only about planting, but other things that require you to apply other skills. In this case, I needed to apply my scouting skills, whereby I have to tie my lashings. Let me just zoom for you. So I have a lashing over here. This is a square lashing on a metal beam. So all those knowledge that we have is not going to waste. Okay, so gardening is not only about planting. Instead, on top of that, there are other things that you will have to do to make sure that your garden survives. Okay, so Yep, hope this video is useful for you and you're able to have a nice garden at home. I'm so looking forward to have this whole trellis filled up with the tomato and hopefully having those cute teeny weeny cherry tomatoes hanging on the plant itself. Okay, till then, perhaps till then, yeah, I will probably shoot a part 3 to show the fruit itself. So wish me luck. Yep, thank you so much for watching this video again. Yep, have fun gardening. Thank you.